You're watching the Weiss channel. Today I'm going to show you rational equations. Rational equations. For example, m over 10 equals 6 over 4. If we cross multiply, that means 4 times m equals 10 times 6. So what we can do is 10 times 6 divided by 4. That's exactly what we're going to do here. 10 times 6 is 60, divided by 4 is 15. Same thing here. 7 times 8 is 56, divided by 4 is 14. 6 times 9 is 54, divided by 5 is 10.8. Okay, so here, what we're going to do is we're going to say 6 times x plus 6 equals 2 times x plus 4. And then we're going to distribute, okay. 6x plus 36 equals 2x plus 8. I'm going to minus 2x from both sides. I'm also going to minus 36 from both sides. I get 4x equals negative 28 and x equals negative 7. I'm going to do the same thing here. I'm going to say 9 times n plus 8 equals 2 times n plus 9. Distribute 9n plus 72 equals 2n plus 18. If I subtract 2n from both sides, I get 7n. If I subtract 72 from both sides, I get negative 54. Divide by 7, I get n equals negative 7.714. More stuff after that. Okay? But over here, now we have x times x plus 8 equals 6 times x plus 4. Okay. When we distribute, we get x squared plus 8x equals 6x plus 24. Now what we're going to do is solve for x, and we're going to eventually use factoring. To do that, we got to get the right side equal to 0. So I'm going to minus 6x to both sides and get x squared plus 2x equals 24. I'm going to minus 24 to both sides, so I have x squared plus 2x minus 24 equals 0. Now I'm going to factor. Okay, what times what makes negative 24 that added together makes positive 2? Positive 6 and minus 4. So this means that x plus 6 equals 0, x minus 4 equals 0. Minus 6 to both sides, plus 4 to both sides, and I get x equals negative 6 and x equals 4. Okay? Same thing here. X times x minus 4 equals negative 3 times x minus 2. Distribute. X squared minus 4x equals negative 3x plus 6. I'm going to add 3x to both sides. I'll have x squared minus 1x equals 6. Minusing 6 to both sides, I'll have x squared minus 1x x squared minus 1x minus 6 equals 0. Now we're going to factor. What times what makes negative 6 that added together makes negative 1? It's going to be x minus 3, x plus 2 equals 0, which means x equals 3 and x equals negative 2. Okay? But over here, I'm going to do 5x times negative 2x makes negative 10x squared. And then negative 6 times 15 makes negative 90. Divide both sides by negative 10, and I get x squared equals 9. Take the square root, and I get x equals positive or negative 3. You might have to enter your answer as x equals 3 and x equals negative 3. Might have to put two answers, okay? Over here, 5x times x is 5x squared. 8 times 10 is 80. Divide by 5, you get x squared equals 16. Take the square root, you get x equals 4 or x equals -4. Two answers. You've been watching the Weiss channel.